Okay, so the next thing is conversion functions. Okay, it's nothing but converting data types from one to another. Okay, so we discussed about case manipulation functions, right? So what is the use of them? Converting the case, small letters or capitals, like that. So converting the case from one case to another cases depends on the function, right? Same way here also, I'm going to convert the data type. Okay, data type. So we have characters, numbers, dates, like that, right? So that if you want to convert from one data type to another data type, we can do it by using these functions to char. What is the purpose of this to char? Converting the data type char type from any other type. Okay, so how it is going to work and what is the use of this, we'll see now. Okay, I'm just writing one simple query. Select start from emp table. Okay, just returning the data, right? Good, but I want to do a simple comparison here. Let's see that comparison. I want to compare where employee number with the e-name. Okay, so we don't have proper example here, but I just want to compare numeric value with the character value. You will get a situation like that where you have to compare with the two different data types things. Okay, so what I'm trying to do, I'm just trying to write a query like this, where e-name is equal to 101. Okay, for example, I'm just writing it. Okay, so why the error is coming? Because e-name is a character type and 101 is a number, correct? Yes or no? So I just want to write like this. Okay, it's not exact example. Okay, but I just want to show you what I'm doing. Clearly it is mentioned 101. 101 is a number, right? It's a direct number, it's a number type, but e-name is having character type. When I'm trying to compare character type data with the number, so definitely it will throw error, but still I want to compare like that only. Okay, so then what I have to do, you have to convert that particular thing from any other data type to that data type. Okay, so that is the use of to char. So for example, give me a second. inside. Okay, so the same like above example, instead of writing 101, I'm just writing here one column name which is having a number type. Okay, we know there is a column called employee number which is having all the employee numbers, number data type. Okay, so don't think about the query. Okay, so I just want to show whether I can compare these two or not. Employee name is the column having character type, employee number is having number type. So this type of situation definitely will get in real time. Okay, so one column which is having character type from one table, and maybe another column which you have to compare, uh, that is from another table. Okay, or from the same table, however. Okay, but having different data types. Let's see, same like above error, invalid number. So what I can do then? But I should compare with this column only. So then what you have to do? You have to write this toChar function. Why I'm writing toChar function? Because employee name is having all characters. So I'm converting this employee number column data type to the character type. I'm not changing any data. Okay, whatever the employee numbers are there inside that column, those will be there as it is, and I'm comparing with that employee numbers only. But the data type, whatever it is having number, that I'm converting as of now for comparison purpose to the character type using this toChar. Okay, of course it won't match, right? We don't have any similar data. Is clear what is the purpose of toChar? Okay, it is used to convert the data type from any another type to character type. Any confusion about it? No one will ask you any question about it in interviews, but definitely we are going to use toChar most of the times. Okay, same way like a to number. So what is the purpose of it? I'm just going to convert now from any another data type to number data type using this to number. Okay, we don't have proper examples here. Okay, but what we can do, just to understand, where employee number is equal to 101. Okay, it will work, right? So imagine here something is there. Okay, some character type is there. So then how can we, for example, I'm just writing 101 in quotes. So then whenever you are keeping in single quotes, then automatically that will be treated as a character type. Okay, because we won't keep any single quotations for numbers. Okay, but still it will work. In this case, still it will work. It is treated as a character, but still it will work. We don't have proper example, but if you write any column name or something here, then you can convert that to the number type using to number. Okay, so what I'm trying to say, listen carefully. So here it should have numbers. Okay, imagine there is a column which I have to compare with employee number, but that ABC column is having all numbers only inside, for example, but the data type is something different. So then you can convert it using to number to convert into the number data type. Okay, so we won't get mostly to use this to number function, but again one thing came to us, that is to date. Okay, using this to date function, same like about to, we can convert the data from any another type to date type. Okay, but we will be working with same type of data. Okay, so what is the data? Date data. Okay, so I just want to calculate. Okay, I just want to calculate difference between two dates, means how many days are between two dates. So what I'm writing, I'm writing today date, for example, second, November 2000, sorry, 2022. Okay, first I'm displaying as it is. Let's see whether I'm doing correct or not. Okay, from dual, it is not related to any table. Okay, it is printed as it is, right? So now what I have to do, minus, I'm going to write one more date. You can write anything. Okay, just for example purpose, what I'm writing here, second, let me write September 2022, probably 2 months difference, right? Probably we'll get 60 or 61, 62 days, right? So I'm just executing. What is the problem? Invalid number. Okay, invalid number. Actually, it is a date, right? Actually, it is a date. I'm trying to do date minus date. Okay, but generally what we'll do, minus means what we will do, it's a arithmetic calculation which we'll do on numbers, right? Same way here also it is happening. It is telling it's not possible to do date minus date kind of thing because it is an invalid number. So what I can do then, we can do date minus date. Okay, but this is not that one. What it is now, it is like a character now, because there is a single quotes, right? It is thinking like it is a character minus character. So what I'm doing, I'm just converting this using toDate function to the date type. It's not a date, it's a value is date. Okay, don't get confusion. 2nd November 2022 is a date only. That's a value date only. Okay, but when you're keeping single quotations to that, the type got converted to the char. Okay, so character minus character, a minus a, it will not happen, right? So the same way. So I'm just writing now toDate of, means I'm converting this date value type to the date type. Okay, let's see now. Okay, clear, 61 days between these two dates. Okay, so not about the difference here. You have to understand only this part. Okay, so any situation, if you want to compare or want to do something, and if you want to convert that data type from another to date type, you can do it by using toDate. Okay, so you will get a situation to use this toDate function also in real time. Okay, any confusion till now? So that is about toDate, and this is about complete 3 functions. Okay, but we'll just go back to this to char and we'll work out some another examples. Okay, so what are those examples? We'll see now. Okay, I'm just trying to print sysdate from dual. It will return system date 2nd November 22. Good. Okay, so from this I just want to see something else. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm converting. Okay, I'm converting this date. Sysdate is a date, right? So from there I'm converting to this type. Okay, so what is D? D is a character, right? D is a character. Sysdate is a date. So using this toChar function, I'm converting this date into this character. That's it. So what is D? We'll see. What it is going to return, we'll see. So what it is returning? 4. 4 is nothing but 4th day of the week. Correct? It is, today is Wednesday, so it is nothing but 4th day of the week. Okay, so if it is a D means what it will return? Day of the week it will return. Clear? Confusion? I'm just converting date into the character using this toChar function. Okay, I'm converting, but there is a specific meaning for this character D. Okay, so if you use this D, it is going to return day of the week. For example, I'm just adding one more D to that. So means DD. Same, I'm converting sys date into the character DD. So means if it is a single day, it was day of the week. So mostly now it will return day of the month if I'm not wrong. Let's see. What is this? Second. Is this second day of the month? Yes, right. Today is second November, means it is the second day of the month. Clear? Now, for the same thing, I'm just adding one more D extra. So month is over. So then what will be the next? Probably year, right? If you see here, 306 is nothing but day of the year. So this is, today is 306th day of the 2022. Okay, any confusion till there? Okay, so now I'm just writing DAY. Let's see what will happen. Just returning what? Wednesday means name of the day. Okay, same thing. I'm just writing like this. What happened? WED. Nothing but what it is? Same name of the day only, but it's a short name. First three letters will come. Okay, short name of the day. Clear? Let's see one more example. Now let me go back to months. Okay, what it is written in 11 is nothing but month of the year. It is 11th month of the year. Fine. Now, instead of I'm just writing MONTH. So same like DAY. Now I return MONTH. So it is going to return name of the month. Okay, it's November. So just return as it is name of the month. Okay, in all these cases, I'm just converting date to character, and that character is of course having some specific meaning. So that also we are discussing here. Fine. Month is also over, right? Let me write only short name. I want only short name. I don't want complete November spelling. Okay, short name of the month, first three letters. Okay, now we'll go to year. I'm just writing single Y. Okay, see what will happen. 2, no problem. Let me write it. Later. Okay, let me write it later. Now I'm writing one more Y. Now you will understand what it is written in. What it is written in? 22. Means what is 22? Last two digits of the year. So then if I return single Y, what it is returning? Last digit of the year. Okay, same way. Let's see by writing one more Y there. Okay, in 2022, last three digits. Okay, now 4 Ys. Complete year will come, that's it. Okay, 2022. Okay. For example, I want to see that in letters wise. So then you can also write here YEAR. So then you can see 2022. Okay, so means year in votes. Clear till there? Let's see. One more last thing. I'm writing W for week. Okay, week. What it is returning? 1. It's nothing but first week of this month. Okay, this is first week only, right? In this month, November. So that's it. Week of the month. So I'm writing now one more W there. So now, if it is a single W, it was returning week of the month. Of course, double. So then week of the year. So 44th week it is in this year. Okay, so any confusion till there? Okay, so here we discussed two things. One is I'm converting the date from another to character type, and also there is a specific meaning for all those things. So whatever we discussed just now, you may get situation to use them, depends on the requirement. Okay, so I'm just clearing all this. Okay, only the first one. What it is going to return? See, 4. What is this 4? 4th day of the week. Otherwise, let me write DD. Also writing MON. Also writing YYY. Okay, what does this mean now? Whatever we discussed individually, that all those things I'm utilizing now as per my requirement. Simply to say, I want to print that sysdate, or I want to convert that sysdate into character format, of course, and in a specific format, how I written here. First DD need to come, then MON, then YYY, like that need to come. Okay, let's see. 2nd November 2022. You can ask me, it is maybe there as it is. No problem. However you want. Okay, however you want, like that you can print. For example, I don't want hyphen there. No problem. I want like this. Let's see. Understood? Or else I don't want DD. Okay. DD I want. Okay. And then followed by just month, then comma year, like this I want. Okay, 2nd November comma 2022 means however you want to convert your date into a specific format, that also possible. Okay, any confusion till there? You'll get a situation to do like this for sure. Now one more last example here about the same. Every time now actually we discussed with this is date, right? So let me write date manually. Okay, any date, but I'm just writing 2022 2nd November. You can write anything. You can write a column name also there, no problem. Okay, but as of now, instead of sys date, I'm writing date. Okay, you know already just now we discussed this is date value, but it is already a character. Okay, it is already a character now. So that's why the problem is coming. So what you have to do then? What you have to do? First convert this into date. Okay, first convert this into date and then convert that date into this specific format. Clear? Any confusion? Let me know if you have any questions still there. Any confusion? Okay. No, sir. Next class we'll discuss general functions, and there will be entry question in this class, I mean tomorrow's class, and we'll be using these functions also most of the times in real time. So tomorrow we'll discuss general functions and then followed by multi-row or group functions or aggregate functions. and we'll complete this entire functions chapter by tomorrow.